Crews are working day and night to get a major construction project between Wilmington and Leland finished before winter. The Causeway project remains on schedule to be completed by November 15, 2016. The project has extended the length of the merge lane from US 421 to the first Leland exit on the Causeway, giving drivers an additional 3/4 of a mile for merging onto US 7476. Crews have also added a diverging diamond intersection on Village Road, expanded and replaced the bridge over Alligator Creek, and crews are currently working to complete the expansion of the Brunswick River Bridge.